Our top 5. Best Complete Strut Assembly. There are a lot of parts and components that go into making a car that functions perfectly. While some parts offer power to the wheels, others may offer structure integrity to your car. And one such highly important part present in all cars includes the best struts that have been mentioned down below, which we have chosen based on these factors. 1. Number product. Monroe Quick-Strut Complete Strut Assembly. Monroe is quite different from most other struts brands out there, as not only it offers cheaper offerings but also more practical ones with smaller packs of spare parts. The Monroe 172,179 struts come at the first position of this list, as these can be handy if only a single strut of your car's front is broken down. 2. Number product. Detroit Axle Front-Loaded Strut Assembly. In case you want a highly reliable option while buying struts but also want something that can be used to repair both your wheels, then you can consider going with Detroit Axle's offerings. Detroit Axle's 171,661 struts come at the second position of this list, as you can go for these if you want a highly reliable option that can also be used for larger repair projects. 3. Number product. MOSTPLUS Front Complete Strut and Coil Springs. If you are on a budget and want something affordable, then checking out the MOSTPLUS struts can be a viable option, since they work great with various cars and offer a complete set. These MOSTPLUS struts come at the third position of this list, as it is the cheapest set of struts that we have mentioned in this article. Since it is a set of struts, you get a total of 2 struts in the box that are made for the front wheel of your car. 4. Number product. Autosaver Radiate Front Complete Assembly. When compared with other options in the market as well as in this listicle, Autosaver is a much newer brand of car spares that still manages to offer some of the most handy products. Autosaver's struts are also made for a highly popular car model which usually requires strut repairs and replacements. In other words, these struts are made for the Chevrolet Cobalt while being compatible with a few other Pontiac cars as well. 5. Number product. SIG Complete Struts Shock Absorbers. While you might not have heard about SIG in the past, its struts offerings are quite different from most other ones out there in terms of installation and included parts. These SIG struts are the only option in this article that comes as a complete set for both the front as well as the rear wheels. In other words, you will find a total of 4 struts in the box so that you can repair all the wheels if needed. Thanks for watching this video.